Hello everyone and welcome back to Daily English Practice. I am Sarah and I am so happy you are here with me today. Take a deep breath, relax your mind and let's spend the next few minutes growing together through English and through life lessons. Today's episode is not just about learning English. It's about learning how to become a stronger, more disciplined, and more confident version of yourself. Because the truth is simple. If you want to change your life, you must first change your daily habits. Many people dream about success. They dream about becoming confident, wealthy, healthy, or successful. But very few people are willing to do the small things every single day that create success. Success is not magic. It is not luck. It is built quietly through discipline, learning, patience, and consistency. And that is what we are going to talk about today. One of the biggest mistakes people make is waiting for motivation. They say, I will start tomorrow. I will start when I feel ready. I will start when life becomes easier. But life does not wait. And successful people understand something very important. Action comes first, motivation comes later. Sometimes you must begin before you feel confident. Sometimes you must take the first step while you are still afraid. And honestly, that's how growth begins. Every successful person you admire once felt confused. They once failed, they once doubted themselves, but they kept moving forward. That is the difference. Not talent, not luck, consistency. Think about this for a moment. If you improve just 1% every day, imagine how different your life could look after 1 year. Small actions become big results. Reading 10 pages a day, practicing English for 20 minutes, waking up a little earlier, listening to educational podcasts instead of wasting hours scrolling on social media. These small habits slowly transform your mind, and over time, they transform your future. One thing I truly believe is this: your environment shapes your mindset. The people you listen to, the videos you watch, the conversations you have. All of these things influence your thinking. If you constantly surrounded yourself with negativity, excuses, and complaints, your mind becomes heavy. But if you surround yourself with learning, inspiration, and positive ideas, your thinking changes. That's why reading books is powerful. That's why listening to educational podcasts matters. That's why learning English can even change your confidence. Because education is not only about language, it is about expanding your mind. And remember, learning does not stop after school. Real growth begins when you take responsibility for your own improvement. Nobody is going to force you to grow. Nobody is going to hand you success. You must choose growth every single day. Even when you feel tired, even when progress feels slow, even when nobody is watching. Discipline means continuing even when motivation disappears. And honestly, discipline is difficult. There will be mornings when you want to stay in bed. There will be days when your distractions feel more exciting than your goals. But your future depends on what you choose repeatedly, not once, repeatedly. That's why successful people create routines, especially morning routines. How you start your morning often shapes your entire day. If you wake up stressed, distracted, and unorganized, your day usually feels chaotic. But when you wake up with intention, everything changes. Maybe your morning can be simple. You drink water, you sit quietly for a few minutes, you read something positive, you stretch your body, you write down your goals for the day. These small actions create mental clarity, and clarity creates focus. Another important thing is learning from challenges. Many people think failure means the end, but failure is often a teacher. Every mistake carries a lesson, every difficult moment teaches strength. The people who succeed in life are not people who avoid problems. They are people who learn from problems. When life becomes difficult, ask yourself, what is this situation teaching me? That question can completely change your mindset because challenges are not always there to destroy you. Sometimes they are there to build you. And please remember this, you do not need to become perfect overnight. Growth is a process. Some days you will feel strong, some days you will feel lost. That's normal. Just keep going. Even slow progress is still progress. And if you are learning English right now, I want you to know something very important. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Every time you practice speaking, every time you learn a new word, every time you listen carefully, you are improving. Confidence comes through repetition, not perfection. Before we finish today's episode, I want to leave you with one final thought. Your future is being created by the things you do daily, not occasionally. Daily. Your habits become your character. Your character shapes your destiny. So choose habits that help you grow. Choose learning over excuses. Choose discipline over comfort. Choose progress over perfection. And most importantly, believe that you are capable of becoming more because you truly are. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. If this episode helped or inspired you, please support daily English practice by liking this video, subscribe to the channel and sharing it with someone who needs motivation today. And now I want to hear from you. What is one habit you want to improve in your life? Write your answer in the comments below using simple English. For example, I want to wake up earlier. I want to practice English every day. I want to stop wasting time on my phone. Remember, every small step matters. Keep learning, keep growing, keep believing in yourself. And I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone.